Good morning. Okay, so we have a big project on the go. We're trying to plan our balcony garden, and Brent's just making fun of me because I want to draw it. I want to draw it out. Our balcony is a weird shape, so I drew...
It's a rectangle.
Like a bit of a blueprint of our balcony. And now I'm trying to show Brent my ideas because I think we need to build custom pieces. Because I don't think we'll be able to find exactly what I want, exactly what's in my brain. So this is what we're doing. So this is our bench. This is our big like main planter. We have like some sort of lattice or trellis over here and maybe one behind the bench as well. We'll see what that looks like. And we could also get like an outdoor like rug. What? That goes here. That's a rug. Just so you know. It is.
Show us the rug again.
No, the rug is awesome. This is a rug.
Alright, you ready? All set? We're going to do some measurements out here. We're checking out the space to see roughly what we're working with. We're kind of working with a blank slate here, which is kind of good. It's the best possible place to be starting. The cool idea for doing something like this is because a lot of other people are in the same situation as us. They live in an apartment, they have a balcony, or they have a little bit of outdoor space and they don't really know what to do with it. So we're enlisting the help of some experts to make this an awesome space that we can enjoy all summer. Our travel schedule is a little bit light this year, so we want to make sure that we can sit out here, enjoy the evenings, have some barbecues, and tons of red wine, and have a blast doing it.